Hidden gems and local flavors, top culinary channels and must-visit spots in San Francisco, California. Hidden gems and local flavors, top culinary channels and must-visit spots in San Francisco, California. Discover the best local, exotic, and hidden street food delights in San Francisco. Explore flavors that make the city a food lover's paradise. Top 10 culinary channels to follow for San Francisco foodies. Food Ranger, dive into diverse street foods and undiscovered spots with authentic local flavors. Migrationology, explore eclectic food markets and traditional eateries around SF's neighborhoods. Strictly Dumpling, savor classic Asian street treats alongside lesser-known culinary treasures. Wiens, experience vivid tastes of global fare blended with city-specific favorites. The Try Guys, light-hearted but deep dives into unusual local eats you won't want to miss. Best Ever Food Review Show, bold, off-the-beaten-path food reviews from city corners often overlooked. Affordable and delicious places you can't miss in San Francisco. La Taqueria, Mission District, renowned for its carne asada tacos and affordable prices. Hours, Monday through Saturday 11 a.m. to 9 p.m., closed Sunday. Golden Gate Bakery, Chinatown, famous for their delicious egg tarts and baked goods. Hours, Tuesday through Sunday 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. El Farolito, Mission District, authentic Mexican burritos popular among locals for quick, tasty meals. Hours, daily 11 a.m. to 2 a.m. Swan Oyster Depot, Russian Hill, fresh seafood counter offering oysters and crab at reasonable rates. Hours, Tuesday through Saturday 11:30 a.m. to 6 p.m., closed Sunday. Samwa Restaurant, Chinatown, classic Cantonese eatery with great dim sum offerings at low cost. Hours, Wednesday through Monday 11 a.m. to 9 p.m., closed Tuesday. Brenda's French Soul Food, Tenderloin, unique taste of southern comfort food with good prices. Hours, daily 8 a.m. to 3 p.m., Friday through Saturday. And Bakery, Inner Sunset, community-owned bakery known for savory and sweet pies/rolls at wallet-friendly prices. Hours, Tuesday through Sunday 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Insider tips before you go. Arrive early or prepare to wait during peak hours, especially on weekends. Some popular places accept cash only, carry small bills to avoid inconvenience. Many vendors do not offer delivery, visit in person for freshest experience. Please note, business hours and days may change unexpectedly due to special events, holidays, or business decisions. We recommend checking official websites or social media channels before planning your visit. We built our digital businesses through New Beginning.com, which is why we can pursue our dreams. What is your dream? We'd like to see if we can help you achieve your goals. Visit www.newbeginning.com/webinar to find out more. Thanks, and God bless you.